Okay, I'll move if I have to.
I'm gonna come fast.
Okay. Over here.
I don't want that to happen.
Hi, Murph. Hi, buddy. Hi, little snow doggy. Is your daddy coming? Murph, you have to get out of the way when your daddy comes. I know you like the trails. Murph, come here. Come over here. Oh.
Watch out, Murph!
Murphy, move!
I would have just leveled you if I didn't fall.
Aww. Bless you.
Speed going.
Yeah, eh?
Yeah.
Hi, Whiskers. I like your new beard, Murph. No. I love you. Bye.